All right, what sort of snacks is Form Health keeping in our office? I'm going to start with the fridge. We have our protein shakes. We've got our Greek yogurts, Fairlife milk, which is my favorite because it's high in protein and lower in sugar. Plenty of zero-calorie beverages. Some cheese sticks for extra protein. And one of my favorite snacks, eggs and grapes for your protein and your fiber. Keeping the tour going. What's in our pantry? We have nuts galore. We've got our That's It fruit only bars, which contain some fiber. We've got our Cliff bars, our high protein oatmeal. Love this because it's both fiber and protein in one. Single portion goldfish and popcorn. We have some protein bars. We have our New Direction high protein puddings and just some little chocolates in case you want something sweet. We also have Bear fruit chips and of course coffee.